In this video, we don't have just one location. We don't have two, but we have three different locations. Nusa Lembongan with crystal clear waters. There's Nusa Ceningan with yellow bridge, and also Java with Mount.Ijen, which has a volcano that spurts out blue flames. One out of two volcanoes in the whole world that can do that. This is probably the clearest water I've seen ever in my life. This is beautiful.
Take a picture every time.
They won't notice that I took the shot.
Your camera's in my way now.
So they just brought us this watermelon juice and it's pretty good. I would recommend it. It was like $3. So currently, I'm trying to find a way to get to that blue water, and I'm gonna ask some construction workers if maybe I could pass by their construction and go down there. My trusted assistant, doing a good job, Ava. Oh fuck! Oh. So it didn't go well, and they didn't let me go to that blue water. But instead, I went to a nearby beach with the same blue water. So it all worked out. On the way back, we decided to head over to Yellow Bridge and, you know, put up the drone and get some shots. Yellow Bridge. Hey guys, I just got to my next destination and just got to my place, and I have to say I'm pretty impressed. Looks pretty nice. This is the outside. Check it out. Who's that?
I told you to put in your video. I'm making a mess. I'm not Ava. I'm her evil twin.
Yeah. Good father.
Mava.
What's wrong with you? Yeah. Yeah, I gotta do this again. Take 2.
I guess it's
So we just finished settling into our villa. Now we're looking at Bali-Nusa Lembongan. Looks nice. Check it out. Doesn't look that bad. I'm taking pictures for video. Got a banana split. Hope it tastes good. Find out in a little bit. So we just got back. Oh, nice. We just got back and for sunset, and I found a pretty cool restaurant. I'm pretty happy with the view. Check it out. I will find out later what volcano that is, but that is another effing volcano. The next day, we took a taxi for 4 hours. Then we got on a boat for an hour. Woke up in the middle of the night to hike for 6 hours to see the infamous Mount.Ijen and its miners. So we're here in Itinerary, and it's freezing. Got to see my breath. And all I have is a shirt. Hopefully I could grab a sweater. Oh yeah, we started our trip at 12. It was a 1 hour ride, and it's gonna be about 2 hours of hiking. These are all the people that are trying to make this hike right now. It's pretty busy.
But we've been waiting already for a long time.
Ngomong-ngomong, kayaknya kecewa, bro.
So after 2 hours, we made it to the summit, to sunrise right now. I'm gonna put the drone up and hopefully it comes out well. Sunrise on a mountain.
Baru sandal panci dan bendel. Saya sari roti sari beli. Ya. Let's try it over there. It's really cool.
As you can see, we're literally above the clouds. So this is how they earn their money for like $10 a day. They carry this heavy load. This is always more than 90 pounds. And carry 3 kilometers. Crazy.
Just a little money, okay?